you. First one is numbering systems. Okay, numbering system. I gave you the portion, followed by that rectifier. I gave you the portion, and then op-amp I gave. Okay, only three portions, 3 unit portion I gave into that one. So here I will going to discuss you for that one. So, okay, one more questions. Okay, first one. What is a rectifier? Rectifier. That is a questions. Hello. Am I audible to all of you? Yes. Am I audible? Give your reply. Hello. Yes, I am audible. Okay, fine. Thank you. What about remaining members? Yes, fine. Good. Thank you. Okay, please take your paper and a pen and then note down. Okay, these are the one more questions. Okay, it's a possibilities to ask on that one, your in sem as well as end sem. What is rectifier? Rectifier means you will going to simply say AC to DC converter. That's all. The next one, what is off-wave rectifier? So off-wave rectifier means it will going to work on the two bias, forward bias, reverse bias. It's a question they will going to ask you means you will going to simply say off-wave rectifier. It will going to work on that only one bias, forward bias. You mean diode is a unidirectional device. Okay, diode is a unidirectional device. Only one directions, that is called a forward bias. Okay. The next one. Number of the diode is used in off-wave rectifier. Off-wave, how many diode is used? Only one diode. Only one diode. If it is a full wave rectifier means how many diode? Full wave, or it is called a bridge rectifier means 4 diode you can give. Okay, the answer. What is the input AC power supply? What is the input power supply, AC power supply? It is a 230 voltage. Input power supply is a 230 voltage. Okay, so what are the magnitude is included on the AC power supply? What are the magnitude is included? So what are the magnitude is included? Positive magnitude and negative magnitude. Two magnitude are included. Once again, I want to check. Am I audible to all of you? Give your reply on the chat box. Yes, thank you. I am audible. Okay, fine. So this is a questions. Very simple type of question. Okay, single wave of single phase off wave rectifier is used. Okay. In that one, what about R load? What about R load? The questions. R load means okay, it will going to operate only one quadrant. What is that one? R load conditions, only one quadrant. R load condition, only one quadrant. Okay, what during the R load conditions, either half wave rectifier or full wave rectifier. What about waveform? Do you know? Output voltage is equal to that output current. Both also same. Output voltage is equal to that output current. Okay, if you are using RL load in that circuits of a rectifier, if you are using RL load means how many quadrant it will going to operate? This is the question. How many quadrant it will going to operate? Do you know? 2 quadrant it will going to operate it. Quadrant number 1, okay, quadrant number 1 and 4. What is the quadrant number 1? 1 is a forward. And then what about the quadrant number 4? It will going to braking. So like about it will going to operate it. Quadrant number 1 and quadrant number 4. If you have see the waveform, okay, there is a waveform RL load condition. Quadrant number 4 it will going to operate it. Positive magnitude as well as negative magnitude. Voltage is negative. Voltage is only negative. Output current is never negative. Okay. So it is a RL load or L load. If it is applicable for off wave, also applicable. Full wave also applicable. Okay. If R load condition, how many quadrant of operation? Only one quadrant. RL load condition means how many quadrant of operation? It is a question. So 2 quadrant it will going to operate. Okay. 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 If it is RL load means what are the quadrant? Do you know what are the quadrant? One is a rectification and the inversion. Rectification and the inversion. Okay, that is the things. Single phase off wave. R load means only rectification. RL load means rectification and the inversion. This is a similar for half wave as well as full wave. So both also it is a rectifications. Are you following my words? Do you feel any difficulties? Give your reply. Hello.
Sir, we are able to understand.
Yeah, fine. Thank you. Okay. Then, okay, this is about the first one. So far, we have discussed about that one. Okay, quadrant of operations, R load and RL load. R load means one quadrant, RL load means 2 quadrant, half wave rectifier and a full wave rectifier. Half wave means 1 diode, full wave means 4 diode. Okay. So what is the full wave? Full wave means it is a full cycles. You mean you have see that one, that is a two off wave. It is a full output, that is called a full wave. Full output means full wave. Only 50% output means that is called off wave rectifier. 50% output means that is called off wave rectifiers.
एक्झाम घरून ये रे.
कोण म्हणे?
आत्ताच नोटीस आली बघ, आर्यन हजारे सरांनी टाकलेली.
बर, घरून येतो, घे झोपून.
लईच बॉलर वैभव तू.
थोडं जास्तच बोलायला लागलाय तर. हे गप्रे.
अरे सर कुठं गेले?
When onwards it was disconnected? Are you followed? Suddenly my side internet is failed, so suddenly disconnected. May I know the reasons? When onwards it was disconnected? Do you know when, which time onwards it was disconnected? Okay, can you tell me? Did you follow up to the last point? What I was discussed about that one? Every pair, how many diodes are conducted? I was discussed. Yes, every pair. Okay, how many diodes are conducted? Okay, I will tell you shortly recap about the diode rectifiers. So, what are the one mark possibilities questions? Particularly three-phase rectifier. Okay, three-phase rectifier. How many diodes? 6 diodes. What is the sequence? 6 steps. How many steps? 6 steps. What are the sequence? 6 1, 1 2, 2 3, 3 4, 4 5, 5 6. That's all. 6 1 repeated. Totally how many steps? 6 steps. Okay, every pair, how many diodes are connected? 2 diodes are connected. 6 and 1. 1, 2. Like each diode, how many steps are conducted? 2 steps it is conducted. For example, you can see D1. Where is it located? 6 1, 1 2. The 2 place it is located. Okay, that's all. What is the conduction period of the every diode? Every diode conduction period is a 120 degree. Every diode conduction period is a 120 degree. Every mode 60 degree. Every mode is a 60 degree. That's why. See that example of the diode 1, 6 1, 1 2. So first mode is 60 degree, second mode is 60 degree, 60 plus 60, 120 degree. That is a keep in your mind. Then next one, what is the sequence in top of the diodes? Odd number 1 3 5. 1 3 5. What is the angle difference between 1 and 3? Angle difference between 1 and 3 is a 120 degree. 120 degree. What is the bottom of the diodes? 462. 462. Are you getting my voice? Hello? Yeah. So in bottom is a 462. Okay, you have the same leg connected to diodes 1 and 4. Same leg connected to diodes should not be close at a time. If it is close, means short circuited. Okay, so that's why what is the angle difference between 1 and 4? 180 degree. 180 degree. So these are the possible questions. And further, what is the input power supply? 3-phase AC power supply. 3-phase AC power supply means okay, and that is RYB. R2Y is what is the value? It is a 120 degree value angle differentiations. R2Y is a 120 degree angle differentiations. And single phase AC power supply means 230 voltage power supply, frequency is 50 Hz. Transformer is a constant frequency transformer. Output is not changed. Okay, single phase full wave rectifier means bridge rectifier, center tapped transformer. Which one costly one? Center tapped transformer is a costly one. Okay, center tapped transformer is a costly one. Half wave rectifier means only one diode is used. Half wave is operate on the only one bias, forward bias, no reverse bias. No, it is not operated, only forward bias. Mode of operations, only one mode of operations. Second mode is a dead, zero. Okay. Full wave means full output. Half wave means half output. Okay, how many diode is used half wave? Only one diode. How many diode is used full wave bridge rectifier? Bridge rectifier used under the 4 diodes. Okay, 4 diodes is used. Okay. Okay, mode 1. What about the mode 1 angle? 0 to 180. Mode 2, 180 to 360 degree. It is a mode angle. Another one is, what is the difference between R load and RL load? R load means only one quadrant. Rectifications. RL load means two quadrant. Rectification and inversion. Rectification and inversion. That's all. Okay. That's all about the diode rectifier I have covered. Okay. Can I get the reply from you? Do on the chat box. Hello. Are you okay about the diode rectifier? Yes, this is about the diode rectifiers. So let's we move to the op-amp. Okay, op-amp we're going to see. Okay, what is the famous op-amp 741? Okay, all of you note down. Okay, 741. That is called a famous op-amp 741. Okay, that is a famous op-amp. Okay, what is output pin of the op-amp? Pin number is a 6. 6 is the output pin of the op-amp. What is output pin of the 555 timer? It's a pin number 3. Pin number 3. That's all. What is the power required of the op-amp? So what is the power required? Plus 12 voltage, minus 12 voltage power is required. Plus 12 volt and minus 12 volt. Output is in phase with the input. Okay, output is in phase with the input. What type of the op-amp? It is inverting op-amp or non-inverting? Non-inverting. That's why output is in phase. Output is no change. In phase means no change with respect to in phase. With respect to in phase input. That is called a non-inverting. Okay. Output is a 180 degree phase shift. Output is a 180 degree phase shift with the input. What is that one? That is called inverting op-amp. That is called a inverting op-amp. So what is the terminal numbers? So terminal number for that one, inverting means what is the number? Terminal number of op-amp. Inverting means terminal number is a 3. Inverting is a terminal number is a 3. Non-inverting means terminal number. What is the terminal number of the non-inverting? 2. 2 is a non-inverting. Okay. What is a non-inverting terminal? What is a non-inverting? That is called a plus sign. Non-inverting is a plus sign. Terminal number 2. Terminal number 2 is a non-inverting plus sign. Inverting terminal means minus sign. Inverting terminal means minus sign. So op-amp about that one. 2 and 3 is the input. 6 is the output. 2 is a, what is a 2? 2 is a non-inverting. Non-inverting means plus sign. 2 is a plus sign. Then minus sign is a third pin. Third pin is a inverting terminal. Okay. What is a balanced op-amp? Balanced op-amp is a 2 input, 2 output. Okay, if you see that one figure I got show you on that one during the BJP, no, not BJT, balanced. One I show you one human. The human is it will going to raise the both hand and both leg. Okay, if it is both hand and both leg, it means 2 input and 2 output. 1 input, 2 output, or 2 input, 1 output, like I can show you. That's why. That is a balanced op-amp. What is the balanced op-amp? 2 input, 2 output. That is a balanced op-amp. Okay, in op-amp, VCC terminal. What is the terminal number for VCC? VCC is a terminal number is a 7. Okay, VE. What is the VE terminal number? VE means minus 12 voltage. Terminal number is a 4. That is a terminal number is a 4th pin. Okay. Output of op-amp. So what is the output of op-amp? You tell me, what is the output of op-amp? Difference of the input voltage VD multiply with the gain. Difference of the input voltage multiply with the gain. So what is the gain value? 10 power 7. 10 power 7. Okay, 10 to power 7 high value. Okay. What is open loop op-amp? Open loop means output is not connected to the input. That's all. Open loop means output is not connected to the input. What is a closed loop op-amp? Output is connected to the input. That is called a closed loop op-amp. What is segmented trigger op-amp? That is a closed loop op-amp. Output is connected to the input. Which terminal input? Positive input. Note down. Segmented trigger is a positive input. Output is connected to the positive terminal. Okay. What is a zero crossing detector? Zero crossing detector is a open loop op-amp. Comparator also open loop op-amp. Okay. So output is not connected to the input. Output is not connected to the input. Okay. So zero crossing detector also same. Output is not connected to the input. Then next one, V to I converter. So voltage signal is converted into the current signal. Why do you want to convert? So I want to transfer the data into the long distance from copper con to the NOSIC. I want to transfer my data in the long distance. So that's why voltage signal is converted into the current signal. Current signal to the voltage signal. Why? Because I need to store the data. Okay, I need to store the data. So that's why I will go to convert the current signal into the voltage signal through the DAC system. Which is system? DAC system. Okay. Instrumentation amplifier. What is the purpose of using the instrumentation amplifier? So convert the physical quantity. What is that one? Temperature. Pandemic situation. Everyone security having that one handheld temperature measurement device. That device is not physically touching. That is the transducer is used inside. The transducer convert the physical quantity into the electrical signal. Electrical signal. Next one, peak detector. What is the use of the peak detector? Detect the capacitor peak value. Capacitor is used. It will going to detect the peak value. Okay. Then transducer uses. What is a transducer? I said. Okay. So physical quantity into electrical signal conversions. What is use of the filters? So filter it is used to, you will going to reduce the noise. Noise you will going to reduce. So what are the pins for that not connected, not use a dummy pin of the op-amp? Okay, what are the pins you are going to use on the dummy pin means? So pin number 1 is a dummy. So 2, 3 is the input pin. 2, 3 is input pin. 4th pin is a minus VCC. 5th pin is a dummy pin. And 6th pin is the output pin. 7th pin is a, what is the 7th pin? That is a VCC. 8th pin, what is 8th pin? That is also dummy pin. Okay. So practical application of op-amp. What is the practical application of that op-amp? So PWM generator. PWM generator, pulse with modulation generation. What is a PWM? PWM means pulse with modulation. Pulse with modulations. So these are the possible question on the op-amp. Okay. Is it okay? Hello. Give your reply. Yes, fine. So let me see about one more unit. Then we're going to stop about that today's sessions. Okay. Okay. So let's see. So what is a binary system? Base is a 2. So base is a 2. What type of system? Binary system. Base is a 2 means that is a binary system. So next one. Pitch is no is a pitch is a nipple they will going to call. Okay, pitch as a bits is a nipple. So what is the value means? That is the value is a 4. 4 is a value for that bits as a nipple. Okay, base is a 16. 16 means hexadecimal. Base is a 8. 8 means octal. Base is a 10. What is that one? That is a decimal number. That is a decimal number. Okay, convert ones complement. What is the complement? 101. What is the ones complement? 010. Okay, then do the ones complement of the 101. Then first step. What is the first step? Do that 1 0 1 0. Then second step, what is that one? Add with the 1 at the right corner. So 0, 1, 1, you will go to get. So this is a 2's complement. This is a 2's complement. So 1 plus 1, what is that one? 10. 1 plus 1 is what is the answer? That is called a 10. In that 10, what is the sum value? What is the carry value? So 10, okay, 1 plus 1, what is the answer? 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay, in that 1, okay, 1 plus 1, the answer is 10. Okay, what is the sum value? Sum value is nothing but 0. The sum is denoted as a 0. Carry is denoted as a 1. We are going to carry is a 1. So 1 0, carry, after that sum, carry plus sum. Okay. Okay. Hexadecimal, what is the number system? 0 to 9. After that, A, B, C, D, E, capital letter. A, B, C, D, E, F. What is F? F is the last number 16. Similarly, what is the number for 13? 13 is the, what is the number? D. 13, what is the number? D. So D is a 13. So 0 to 9. After that, A is a 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 for D. 14, E. 15. 15 number. What is the 15 number? F. 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 Why? Why 15 is a F? Because 0 to 15. Total what is number? 16 numbers. 0 to 15. Total number is 16 numbers. So not gate, so AND gate, OR gate, not gate. Not gate means what? Not gate means just opposite. That is called the opposite. 0 means it will do 1. 1 means 0 means 1 means 0. So this is it will going to do. Not gate, I will repeat again. Not gate means opposite work it will going to do. It will going to do the opposite. Opposite, or you can say about that inverter output. Okay. So K map, why do you want to use the K map? K map used to, you can simplify. You 5 minutes. Okay, K map used to, you will going to simplify. That's all. Okay, K map, what are the variables used in the K map? So you will going to use on that one 2 variables available, 3 variables available, 4 variables available. Okay, that is about the K map. So 4 variable system means how many box you are using? 4 variable systems. You are using 16 box. You are using on the 16 box. Okay. So A dot A, actually formula available A dot A, you have see that one. A dot A means that is the answer is a A. So you want to see about that Boolean algebra formula. A dot A is equal to A. Okay, 78XX. So that is also I will going to going on that one. 78XX. What is that one? Positive voltage regulator. 79XX. What is that one? Negative voltage regulator. Precision rectifier. What is the precision rectifier? It has that op-amp, comma, diode, and what is that one? Diode also available. Okay, op-amp, diode. Okay, op-amp. Okay, diode, and then as usual for that sine wave input source you will going to use. So op-amp is present means that is about the precision rectifier. So precision rectifier used to, you will going to reduce the threshold voltage drop. You will going to reduce the threshold voltage drop. So uncontrolled switch. What is uncontrolled switch? Diode is an uncontrolled switch. Diode is a bidirectional device? No. Diode is a unidirectional device. Only one direction only it will going to flow. Okay. Okay. German diode. What is that one already discussed? So 0.3 is a German diode. Silicon diode means that is answer is a 0.7. Okay. Normally silicon is a 0.7 voltage drop. Center trap transformer you will going to when you will going to use. So you will going to increase the values. You will going to use on that one. I mean, sorry, single phase full wave rectifier. You will going to use on the center tap rectifier. So that's all. I will going to stop here. Okay. So your class is over. So quickly you can do your roll numbers.